Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of third problem from exercise 8.1 from quadrilaterals chapter from NCERT class 9. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So let ABCD be a quadrilateral. We know that quadrilateral means it is bounded by 4 line segments. So here the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. So here the diagonals are AC and BD. So bisect each other means it divides into two equal parts. So here OA is equal to OC. These two lengths are equal and OB is equal to OD. So diagonals bisect each other. And next, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That means these four angles are 90 degrees. So right here angle AOB is equal to this angle. Angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degrees. So if the conditions apply in a quadrilateral, then we have to prove that this is a rhombus. ABCD be a rhombus. So to prove ABCD be a rhombus, we know that rhombus properties are, the first one is all sides of the rhombus are equal. So first one we have to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and next one, in the rhombus opposite sides are parallel. So here AB, we have to prove that AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. First one, we have to prove that all the sides of rhombus are equal. So first take these two sides. These two sides are parts of these two triangles. So take these two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle COB, OA is equal to OC. Diagonals bisect each other. So these two sides are equal. That is given. And angle AOB is equal to angle COB. That is 90 degrees. That is also given. Diagonals bisect at right angles. And OB is equal to OB. That is the common side of these two triangles. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SAS congruence rule, because side angle side of this triangle are equal to corresponding side angle side of this triangle. So once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. So AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal by CPCT. Similarly, if you take these two triangles, we can equal these two sides. BC is equal to CD. So right here, and if you take these two triangles, we can prove that CD is equal to AD. So right here, AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, and CD is equal to AD. So we can say that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So all the sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Next one, we have to prove that AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. So these two lines, we have to show that these two lines are parallel. So take these two triangles. So take these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. OA is equal to OC. Diagonals bisect each other. So these two lengths are equal right here. And angle AOB is equal to angle COD. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Those are equal. So right here, and OB is equal to OD. These two lengths are equal because diagonals bisect each other. That is given. So right here. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by SAS congruence rule. Side, angle, side of this triangle are equal to corresponding side angle side of this triangle. Once these two triangles are congruent, we can equal the corresponding parts of these two triangles. So take these angles, angle OAB. This angle is equal to this angle, angle OCD. So by CPCT. If you observe, these two angles are alternative interior angles of these two lines. If AC is a transversal line, we know that if a transversal line intersects two parallel lines, then alternative interior angles are equal. So here alternative interior angles are equal. So we can say that AB is parallel to DC. So right here, and similarly we can prove that AD is parallel to BC if you take these two triangles. So similarly AD is parallel to BC. Once we proved these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel, and we already proved all sides of this quadrilateral are equal. So we can say that from 1 and 2 ABCD is a rhombus. Now please do this exercise. Here are the answers.